This video is originally intended to show you what to do when you're trapped at home and there's not a whole lot you can do because you're sheltering in place voluntarily. By the time we started shooting some of this video on Saturday until as I'm sitting here shooting this video with you now, things have changed in the state of Florida, and lo and behold, like parks, state parks now are closed. Everglades National Park is closed. I heard Yosemite is closed, and probably a lot of national parks are going to close. That said, we're going to have to kind of retool the channel a little bit to figure out where the wildlife is locally. I intend to find some places and bring you along, show you some wildlife, show you where things live that are right in your backyard. So that might be fun. Additionally, I might do some cooking segments. A lot of you know that I'm diabetic, and I eat a lot differently and cleaner than a lot of people. And it keeps me off of insulin and drugs and those type of things, which I don't like to take. And, you know, a little exercise along the way helps. Anyway, so that's what we're going to be doing for now until this crisis is over. We're hunkering down. We're not taking any risks. We don't want to expose people, and we don't want to be exposed. With that, happy coronavirus. Let me know what you're doing. Let me know if there's some ideas that you have in terms of what we can be showcasing on this channel. In the meanwhile, let's try to, you know, be safe, take precautions. Please like and subscribe this channel. Wow, that's good stuff.